yeah, for the inside, for sure. I'll tell y'all know. Bitches used to love me then, now they really want me now. They can't leave me out of shit, cause I fit it in the crowd. She say she never forget, so I put it in her mouth. She got me digging real deep, now her shit getting loud. I ain't used to have it all, now I count with the bros. You worried about the cons while I'm counting the pros. I'm the one doing the rebounds like Shaq in the post. I'm the one saying in winter I might switch up the coast.
Everything in this video is CGI. AKA it's fake. Faker than a freak John on a Saturday afternoon. AI made this video, so don't blame whyhayyt for the wild content that waits ahead. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more lit content.
He done gave, y'all see that? He done let me have a little fun in it, a little taste in that motherfucker yesterday. It's gonna be a little cordial job. You feel me? Hey, it's gonna be the, yeah. This is the take and delivery of my SCATPACK charger. We're about to see how this is though, Chuck. Let's see how we gonna do this, but really go tap in with his. He'll have a full vid. I'm gonna get some clips for y'all though. Instagram and Car TV type shit. But we about to see how this go. I'm about to play with them gears. So go over to the Buddy channel. See my reaction to Scat. Alright, we out. That bro. Oh shit, my fault twin. Got multiple keys on this motherfucking twin. Sure. You feel me? Oh shit, my fault. Hell yeah, for the inside, for sure. Hey. About to see what it is. Time out, twin. Hey, go to his channel though to see the full reaction.
Car TV on YouTube. Global J _ on Instagram. You seen it on the side? That nigga shit did not stop.
Damn, let's get up out of here before you try to ask for some help, dude. Alright.
Oh!
Track. Straight track? Alright. Shots. Here. How's it? Ooh, you hear that?
Talking.
Talk to me, baby. Come on. Hey, the motherfuckers brakes is touchy, gang.
What? Just touchy as
Motherfucker.
I still got shit in my eye from them donuts.
Shit. Hey, this motherfucker feel nice, Chad. I can't wait to swap the 300 right here on this motherfucker. Yeah. Damn, them motherfuckers said, man, nigga. Hey, these tunnels be fat as fuck down here in Texas. You know how loud niggas can get with that? Hey, but we about to hop on the freeway. Y'all gonna have to check his out. You're only getting clips, man. Tap in. I'll tell y'all know. Pops chat. Which way am I going? Left, right, left. Yeah, we ain't gonna try the Moody's out here. You see them ditches out there? Ooh, boy, what? Oh, that's a little
deep in these bitches.
Hell yeah. Is this my lane? Or is this my lane to turn? Oh yeah. Niggas ain't supposed to park on this motherfucker, huh? Alright. Hey, this motherfucker. Hey, them paddle shifters. Shit. Which one you like more? The Charger, the Charger or the Camaro?
I ain't drive that fucking Camaro since I bought this bitch.
Straight like that? Okay.
This bitch is more fun.
Uh-huh.
That bitch more alive and shit because it got shit done to it, but this shit more fun.
Okay. Popo in the world, and for the ho. This nigga's about to be on it.
Meanwhile,
This nigga, hey, chat, y'all see my face, man? Hey, that's how you know a nigga really locked in when he. And then look this turning out. Hell easy.
They're gonna fuck around and turn and sneak up on us in the long run. Sick as hell.
I should have pushed past this Pontiac. That's my nigga Gag right there. SS. I should have got in front of his ass. Oh, that's new. Them niggas about $1.99 for that. Hey. Oh, this fresh black tie.
This the best shit that the wearing out.
Hell yeah. That nigga about to go too. Verbal Pop Johns. said that. How many minutes?
Do 15.
Oh, good tunnel run coming up, chat. Y'all know what it is. We don't miss tunnels around this motherfucker. Unk better get up out that street.
Get the fuck out the way.
Ah, this motherfucker coming through, huh?
That nigga's unbothered.
That nigga said, hey, you ain't the first one, nephew.
Yeah, what?
Shit. Alright, black top in. Alright, oh shit. Oh, hell yeah, the black top in.
Back to the power.
God damn. That was a nice little couple mile run. Oh shit, you saw that motherfucker over there? There it is.
Where the niggas not supposed to be at.
Hell yeah, that's how you can tell. Cause shit. Hell no, I would be right over in that motherfucker, bud. That nigga, bro. He lucky he ain't take that nigga to the goddamn wildlands of Chicago, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie. Them niggas is blessed. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, what you mean?
Cause them niggas flew onto the freeway, bro.
Yeah, most definitely.
Ain't no cars was coming.
And he had time to do that bitch and keep going. Hell yeah, that shit could have went way left. Literally.
Nigga.
No pun intended.
Yeah,
Duh.
them niggas is
Hell yeah, that nigga.
blessed.
And I wouldn't even let. But Woody don't got no license either. But that nigga Vaughn, he don't got no car. Nigga don't drive. That's
so many other bitches down here.
that's the engine Jordan putting in his BMW. That bitch gonna be loud as fuck. They got like a cam kit, headers, nigga. That bitch gonna be nice. All right, we gotta find the nearest gas station. About that time mark, chat. Ooh, that motherfucker farting, nigga. Damn, them bitches is touchy. Hey, they more touchier from the passenger seat, ain't they?
Man, what?
There should be a gas station on this street. Hell yeah, that bitch. Damn, that nigga got the
That's a cam.
cam and look at the exhaust pipe. That nigga got the vet exhaust pipes. 4 quad out the middle, nigga. Fuck is that? Oh yeah, and that nigga off E85. You smell that shit?
Hell yeah. I wanna put this bitch on E85. No, I wanna put my what's the name on E85.
That's a racetrack. Hold on, that gotta be a 6.0. Oh yeah, that's a 6.0. That's a 6.0. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn!
That nigga got the race numbers on there?
Yeah, that's a race track. That nigga got the Sean's. Hold on, I gotta ask this nigga, that's a 6.0? That's a 6.0? Is that a 6.0? Is that where we went yesterday, bro? Hell nah. Ooh, hey, that shit look. Oh shit. Right in the middle. All right, well I'm about to pull over somewhere and let you take over. Wendy's? Nah. about this one? That Murphy John?
That's cool.
Oh shit, I'm going there then. Fuck it.
I see it's a quarter.
Hell no. Oh, they be having fun in this motherfucker. What's this? A support center? Independent school district. Well, shit, chat.
Fuck you.
I'm going right here so niggas can get it. I low-key want to get a different thumbnail though. I want both of us in that motherfucker. Shit. Hey, once again, shout your stuff out again.
J Card TV on YouTube, Instagram, global J the letter J _
Alright. Shit, hey, yo tap in chat. Nigga, we gonna run up all the rest of the shit, so you know what it is. That motherfucker nice. Hold on, let me see. Okay, you still got a little something on that thing? I ain't even peeped the pedals. Hell yeah. Hey, I appreciate you for letting me. I get the hawking now. Invest in real estate, this ain't an Airbnb. This a red eye, but the demon preferring me. I fly her out and that bitch be bearing me. If I get rich, who gon' really take care of me?